This is a video on solar bird proofing. More and more we're having trouble with pigeons, especially pigeons that are nesting under solar panels. And so one of the services we offer is a solar bird proofing kit. Obviously in this case what I've had to do is, as best I can, clean out the debris from underneath the panels. In the case of this customer it's been very hard. As you can see here, the framing is really close to the tiles. You can see that, so it's been very hard, and you can't pressure wash on the panels. It's not a good thing to do, not a good idea. So we've cleaned what we can reach from underneath the panels. Obviously tried to make sure there's no nests underneath there. And then really we've installed this. This is a metallic mesh, and it's very rigid, as you can see here. And all of the fittings here are UV stabilized. So, and I've tidied up all the corners there, right across and around the set of panels. It's all been installed so the pigeons can no longer nest underneath there. So if you've got issues with pigeons, or you want to be proactive and bird proof your panels, then give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a quote.